Welcome to the next generation of 3D factory simulation. FactoryIO takes PLC training to the next level, turning any computer into a robust PLC training kit. Plug, play, and explore over 20 ready-to-use industrial applications. Practice real-world control tasks without the risk of damage or injury. FactoryIO works with any PLC brand and the most common automation technologies. And you can even upgrade your existing PLC with this space-saving solution. With more than 80 parts to explore, you can build an unlimited number of industrial applications with as many I/O points as needed. Use digital values to start or stop machines and analog values to weigh items or control liquid levels. With FactoryIO, the whole classroom can gain access to industrial applications at the same time. FactoryIO is the next-gen tool for PLC training.